Every season I'm ballin'. Brody walk down like he Kimbo. He hopping out the little shots out the window. I'm from the 2 drippin' saw like Lorenzo. Little nigga Glock when he make him look tenfold. We posted up on the back strip, flipping that work. You do semis and front flip. We put your bro on the run list. Soon as that work come in the touchdown, I'ma punt it. It's gone.
You know what's up, man. Got my mechanic right here. About to put this OEM shot on. The red shot cool, still cool, but you know, we need them OEM colors.
This joint like bouncy.
You said what? This joint, nah, this joint's stiff. Probably gotta take off the seat, subframe. Yeah, that should be it. I think, yeah, it's connected to the subframe, right? No, that's the regular.
Right here, what are you talking about? Huh?
Is that what?
What you talking about? It's connected to the subframe. It's right here.
That's what I'm saying. I said it's the regular frame.
I looked and it was like.
I forgot to record. We just took the seat and the plastic off, though. You know. You need a John to hold this.
Yeah.
We're getting down to business. I don't know yet. I want to though. I heard about that shit. Y'all going or no? Like shit. Got my mechanic in. What's up?
Supposed to be doing this shit.
You done this before?
Yeah.
On what?
He ain't lying.
Real shit.
Long time. Yeah, like around there.
Alright, as y'all can see, we got the John on. Look way better, man. Oh, yeah, I gotta get these Johns up. I gotta get the bars on, and I gotta get the new grip too. And then I'm thinking getting new rear fender. And then the silencer. Full service thing, man. $10K or best offer. Y'all see, man. Just the unit that got me everywhere. If y'all want a piece of history, you know what I'm saying? Tap in. Alright, y'all. I made it over to storage. Y'all see the lineup, man. Lining up. As y'all can see, man, still gotta put this silencer joint on. I gotta take these bar clamps off. What else do I gotta do? I think that's pretty much it. Alright, y'all, the reason I have these all out, I never seen them all outside of the storage, all unlocked, man. But this one's also for sale. I'm gonna get to the details on that in a second. I'm just, you know, I'm loving this shit, man. This is really an iconic ass bike for Bikelife, man. So I have 3 of these pups, fresh Johns. It's a good John, man. But yeah, let me get back to it. This bike's for sale. 2006 CR85 with title. As y'all can see, man, she all clean. Y'all could check her out. Everything, man. The only thing it has is a blue shock, and that's nothing. Blue shock, and it's gonna have the power core. This John, cause I like the shorty, so I'm gonna take that shit. But like I said, everything else OEM. It was OEM rebuilt. Everything I've ever done is OEM. I've never done anything besides OEM on these CRs, man. As y'all can see, a fresh cylinder head and cylinder. Carb was rebuilt. What else? I think that's it. Tires. I did tires. Like, that's about all. Everything else has been how it's been. Y'all can see right there, 2006 CR85R. Everything like that, man. Got some new levers. Got some new levers, as you can see. These ones fucking tear away with the power washer and shit and being old. But that's nothing, you can get that. But yeah, man. Let me know if y'all want this 2500 titled 2006 CR85R, the big wheel version. So if y'all want this John, y'all can DM me. Steph bikes for sale right there, as y'all can see. And yeah, man, let's get this John gone, man, because I got a new replacement. This is all I wanted. I just wanted one for my girl and one for me. But I couldn't pass up on this John. This John was too fresh, so I gotta get rid of one. That's how it go. All right, first order of business, we're taking off these bars. OEM everything. So that OEM grips and then fresh OEM. Dang. Messed my joints up out the packaging. Or they messed them up. But that's a wrap on this joint, man. As y'all can see, hold up. As y'all can see, man, joint all done. You see the shock, front rotor, coming around to the back. Stock silencer. I think that's all. Oh, and grips and the bars. That's what I did. Grips and bars. Yes, sir. So y'all set, man. All OEM everything. This bike's for sale, as I said. Y'all know, 2500 title, 06. Yeah, me, man. Just put that rotor on. That's all. It's clean, man. It's all clean. Everything. You're all good, man. You know, she a good unit. I post her in videos. I got a famous video in this joint, man. I think that joint got like 2 or 3 million or something like that. So if y'all want a famous bike, you know, grab that joint. Good units. But yeah, that's the end of today's video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all subscribe. We about to hit 150K.